Hi everybody, welcome back. Hope you all subscribe our channel Jimmy's Creative English Vlog. If not, please do subscribe our channel. Don't forget to press bell icon and enable all. I also welcome your like and valuable comments. Let's learn the four future tenses and their uses today. Well, how do you say about the things that have not happened yet and will happen in the future? You will be interested to know the format of the sentences which talk about the future. Future tense pertains to actions that are proposed, planned, scheduled, or expected to take place in the future. In simple terms, it means such actions have not yet taken place or shall take place at a later point in the future. Future tense is used to express an action which is going to take place. The future tense is broken down into four different categories: future tense, future simple or future indefinite tense, future progressive or future continuous tense, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. Even if we can speak and read some English, we may be interested to know more about what the future tense involves. Let us get into future simple or future indefinite tense. Remember, this is used to indicate activities that shall be done in future. For example, I will help you. They will come soon. I shall meet you soon. We shall watch a movie tomorrow. Future tense is used to express the following context. Not 1. Future tense is used to express either promises or predictions. For example, it will snow in the winter. Not 2. Future tense is used to express a scheduled activity. For example, the meeting will commence at sharp 6 p.m. Not 3. The future tense is used to express a patterned activity. For example, the car will move when you turn on ignition. Not 4. Future tense is used to express a promise. For example, I shall help you with your homework. Not 5. Future tense is used to express an offer. For example, I shall make you a lemonade. Not 6. Future tense is used to express as a plan. Remember, the phrase going to is frequently used here in place of will or shall. For example, we are going to a picnic tomorrow. Not 7. Future tense is used to express along with time clauses such as soon as, when, before, after. For example, I will come as soon as my husband comes home. We shall leave when you call. Let us get into future progressive or future continuous tense. Not 1. Future tense is used to indicate ongoing actions or that shall take place sometimes in the future. For example, I will be waiting for you. The children will be watching TV. They will be arranging a dinner for you. The workers shall be building an outhouse for the servants. Let us get into future perfect tense. Not 1. This is used to indicate activities that will be completed at some point in the future or before the initiation of another activity also in the future. For example, I shall have completed the project by today afternoon. They will have moved to London by this December. Let us get into future perfect progressive or future perfect continuous tense. Not 1. This is used to indicate an activity that shall end in some time in future after having continued for some time in the future. For example, I shall have been living in New Delhi for 5 years by this December. You will have been for 12 hours by the time I come back home. We have learned the four future tenses and their uses, namely future simple or future indefinite tense, future progressive or future continuous tense, future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense. Today's session we will wind up. We will be back with our next video, the uses of capital letters. Please do subscribe our channel Jimmy's Creative English Vlog. Don't forget to press bell icon and enable all. I also welcome your like, share and valuable comments. Thank you for watching. Have a rich days ahead.